Emma, talk about the last match up there to win the national championship.
I mean, I felt pretty good going in there. I was a little cold, but I managed to pull out the win.
And now, how does it feel to be able to call yourself a national champion?
It feels really good. I'm very proud of myself,
Now-
where I've been.
How do you take this win from this weekend and really help yourself hit your goals for this upcoming spring and summer seasons?
Say that one more time, sorry.
How do you take this win and bring that momentum to the spring and summer season to help you reach your goals?
I feel like it's just a big confident boost, and more confidence, I guess. I don't know what to say.
And then now, what are you looking forward to most as you transition to freestyle here?
Just have fun. Really, that's all you can do is have fun and wrestle. Don't worry about the outcome. Just keep learning and getting better.
And now, what's next for you as far as upcoming tournaments?
I'm gonna go to a international tournament in Estonia. So